Imagine fresh, vibrant vegetables growing effortlessly, not in soil-filled fields, but in a nutrient-rich water solution. Picture a garden where plants flourish without the need for traditional soil, their roots suspended in a perfectly balanced aquatic environment. This is the magic of hydroponics, where the absence of soil doesn't mean the absence of growth, but rather an enhancement of it. This is the captivating world of hydroponics, a revolutionary approach to gardening that's transforming how we grow our food. By eliminating the need for soil, hydroponics opens up new possibilities for agriculture, allowing us to grow crops in places where traditional farming would be impossible. From urban rooftops to arid deserts, hydroponics is making it possible to cultivate fresh, nutritious produce in environments previously deemed unsuitable for farming. Hydroponics, in its simplest form, is the art of cultivating plants without soil. Instead of relying on the nutrients found in soil, hydroponic systems deliver a nutrient-rich solution directly to the plant roots. This method ensures that plants receive the exact nutrients they need in the right amounts at the right times, leading to faster growth and higher yields. It's about providing plants with everything they need to thrive directly through a water-based nutrient solution. This solution is carefully formulated to include all the essential minerals and nutrients that plants require, creating an optimal growing environment. By controlling the nutrient levels, pH and water quality, hydroponic systems can produce healthier, more robust plants, compared to traditional soil-based methods. This method, once a niche practice, is now gaining traction worldwide for its efficiency, sustainability, and the ability to cultivate fresh produce year-round, regardless of geographical constraints. Hydroponic farms are sprouting up across the globe, from high-tech commercial operations to small community gardens. These systems are not only more space-efficient, but also use significantly less water than traditional farming, making them an environmentally friendly option. Hydroponics is no longer confined to large-scale commercial operations. Advances in technology and a growing interest in sustainable living have made hydroponic gardening accessible to everyone. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny apartment balcony, there are hydroponic systems designed to fit your space and needs. It's a technique accessible to everyone, from seasoned gardeners seeking to maximize their yield to urban dwellers with limited space yearning for a touch of green. Home gardeners are discovering the joys of growing their own food, free from pesticides and chemicals, and with the added benefit of knowing exactly where their produce comes from. Urban hydroponic gardens are transforming cityscapes, bringing nature into concrete jungles and providing fresh local produce to eat. This essay delves into the fascinating world of hydroponics, unraveling its mysteries and empowering you to embark on your own soilless gardening journey. We'll explore the science behind hydroponics, the different types of systems available, and the best practices for maintaining a healthy, productive garden. Whether you're a novice gardener or an experienced green thumb, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving field of hydroponics. We'll explore the mechanics of hydroponics, its myriad benefits over traditional soil-based gardening, and guide you through setting up your first hydroponic system. From choosing the right system for your space to selecting the best plants for hydroponic growth, we'll provide you with all the information you need to get started. Join us as we dive into the world of hydroponics and discover how this innovative method is changing the way we think about gardening and food production. In traditional gardening, plants extend their roots into the soil, drawing essential nutrients and water for growth. Hydroponics bypasses this soil dependency, immersing the plant roots directly in a nutrient-rich solution. This solution is carefully formulated to provide plants with all the essential minerals they need in readily absorbable forms. Instead of expending energy searching for nutrients in the soil, plants in a hydroponic system can channel their energy directly into growth and fruit production. The magic of hydroponics lies in this direct delivery system. By precisely controlling the nutrient composition, pH balance and oxygen levels of the solution, we can create an optimal growing environment for plants. This control allows for faster growth rates, larger yields, and superior quality produce compared to traditional soil-based methods. Hydroponics offers a compelling alternative to traditional soil gardening, boasting a unique set of advantages. This innovative method of growing plants without soil has been gaining popularity among gardeners and farmers alike, and for good reason. One of the most significant benefits is faster plant growth. In a hydroponic system, plants are provided with a nutrient-rich solution that is directly delivered to their roots. This means they don't have to expend energy searching for nutrients in the soil. Since plants receive nutrients directly, they grow at an accelerated rate, often maturing weeks ahead of their soil-bound counterparts. This rapid growth is not just a minor improvement, it can make a substantial difference in the overall productivity of a garden or farm. This accelerated growth translates to higher yields, allowing you to harvest more produce from the same plant in a shorter period. Imagine being able to enjoy fresh vegetables and fruits more frequently, thanks to the efficiency of hydroponics. Hydroponics also shines in its efficient use of resources. Traditional soil gardening often requires large amounts of water, fertilizers, and space. In contrast, hydroponic systems are designed to maximize resource efficiency. These systems use significantly less water compared to traditional gardening. The water in a hydroponic system is recirculated, minimizing waste and making it ideal for areas with water scarcity. This is particularly important in regions where water is a precious commodity. The water in a hydroponic system is recirculated, minimizing waste and making it ideal for areas with water scarcity. This recirculation process ensures that every drop of water is used efficiently, reducing the overall water footprint of the garden. Furthermore, hydroponics allows for precise nutrient delivery, reducing the risk of nutrient runoff that can pollute waterways. By carefully controlling the nutrient solution, gardeners can ensure that plants receive exactly what they need when they need it. This controlled environment also minimizes the risk of soil-borne diseases and pests, reducing the need for pesticides and herbicides. Without soil, many common garden pests and diseases simply have no place to thrive, leading to healthier plants and a safer environment. Additionally, hydroponic systems can be set up indoors or in urban environments, making it possible to grow fresh produce in places where traditional gardening might not be feasible. This opens up new opportunities for urban farming and local food production. Community gardens and educational programs can also benefit from hydroponics, as it provides a hands-on way to learn about plant biology, sustainability, and innovative agricultural practices. The versatility and efficiency of hydroponics make it a valuable tool for both personal and community growth. As technology continues to advance, hydroponic systems are becoming more accessible and easier to manage. With automated nutrient delivery and monitoring systems, even novice gardeners can achieve impressive results. The future of gardening is here, and it's hydroponic. Conditions provided by this method.